Hi everyone, this is Alex for Dad&Tech. In this video, I want to show you how to use AirDrop. On my left side, I have an iPhone 13 Pro with version 17.2 of iOS, and on my right side, I have an iPhone 7 with version 15.8 of iOS. So the first thing you need to do is to activate the AirDrop functionality. So on the iPhone 13, I'm going to click on Settings, then on the General menu, then on AirDrop, and here you have different options. The first one being Receiving Off, meaning you do not accept anything that uses AirDrop. Then you have From Contacts Only and Everyone for 10 minutes. On the middle of the screen you have Start Sharing by bringing devices together. So you can swap numbers by putting two phones like this and share pictures just by holding them that way. And the one option here at the bottom is to use cellular data if your Wi-Fi is not available. So for this example, I'm going to use contacts only, and I'm going to do the exact same steps on the iPhone 7. So settings, AirDrop, contacts only. So now let's try to share a picture between both phones. So I'm going to open the Photos app. Then I had here a picture already selected. I'm going to click on the share button over here. Then I'm going to pick, by the way, you can select more than one picture at a time. So when you have chosen the pictures, you will click on AirDrop. And as you can see, there is no results. It hasn't found anyone because these two phones are not contact within one another. So this phone doesn't have the iPhone 13 as a contact and vice versa. So now we need to change, instead of contacts only, we'll have to pick everyone. So let me go back into the settings and everyone for 10 minutes. Same thing on the iPhone 7. Instead of contacts only, we'll select everyone. Now let's try again to send the picture. So photos, share button, AirDrop. Now we have the iPhone 7 as an option. So I will select it. On the right side on the iPhone 7, you have the option to either decline what has been shared or to accept it. So I'm going to accept. Progress bar here on the iPhone 13, and as you can see, I have received the picture that was shared. Perfect. Now let's try another example by sharing a website. So I'm going to open Safari web browser. I already had a website here that I wanted to share for this example. So I will select here the share button again. I want to use AirDrop. I have the iPhone 7 here now. I will select it, so it's waiting. And on the right side, sorry, you have two options to either decline or to accept. So just for this example, I'm going to decline, and let's see what happens. So here it says decline instead of waiting. So now let's do the same exercise, but this time we're going to accept it. AirDrop, iPhone 7, and accept. So Safari opens with the website that I have shared. So I've shown you how to activate AirDrop by going into the settings, but there is another option, so which could be even quicker. So you will bring up the control center on the iPhone 7, for example. You will press for a moment the Wi-Fi. Here you have AirDrop. As you can see, it says everyone here because that's the option we selected earlier. Now if I select it, I have the three options that I had before. So I'm going to select Receiving Off. As you can see now it is off. Same thing on the iPhone 13. Hold for a moment the Wi-Fi. AirDrop here set as everyone. We'll click and Receiving Off. So there's two ways and both ways work perfectly. So I hope that by showing you this video on how the AirDrop works, that you find it useful, and if you have any comments, don't forget to put them below. Also, if you have liked my video, please like my video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you until the next video.